is I'm about to season the chicken. As you can see, I already seasoned it some, but I need to add more. So the seasonings I'm using is Goya adobo. You can use it on basically anything. It's Goya adobo. You can use it on like meats and burgers.
Okay.
And then I'm using some lemon pepper. So I don't need pepper because it already has pepper in this. And it gives it that lemony flavor because my mom is making fried lemon pepper chicken.
Ooh, nice.
And then we're having garlic and herb seasoning.
It's getting here a little closer.
So I'm gonna put that on there now.
All right.
Well, okay.
Do your thing.
My mom always says if you're afraid to season, you're afraid to taste. So don't be afraid to season.
Nice, I like that. And is there such thing as too much, you know,
Well,
or no?
sometimes it is. It can be too salty sometimes.
Okay.
Okay, so you don't have to mix it in a particular way. So be careful so that don't let the chicken fall out of whatever you want to do. Try get this on every piece of chicken. Rub it together. So you can like mix it up anyhow. And you gotta get the seasoning on all pieces of chicken.
Okay.
So all of them can have some of the flavor that it needs. And just make sure all the seasoning is on every piece of chicken. You add some more lemon pepper.
So you're saying it needs to be lemon pepper needs to be added somewhere?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, now what brings you to that conclusion?
Because like it doesn't look like it's not, it looks like it's not enough.
Okay. So what do you do about the sneezing and everything else? Does it make you sneeze sometimes and cough?
Yes, because the seasoning is strong.
Okay.
So you just have to be very careful. So when I cleaned the chicken, it kind of made like a sauce at the bottom when I added the seasoning.
Okay.
So
you mean like the residue here?
Yeah. So when I put the chicken in the pan, it still had water on it. So it made like a kind of like a gravy.
Okay.
And when you make lemon fried chicken, you can add like it's a lemon dressing over there. You can add that to it to give it like a more lemony flavor.
Okay.
Yeah, that's about it.
Nice, nice. Everything's coming along very nicely. Looks very tasty. From a preparatory standpoint.
That's all.
All right. So do you want to conclude?
Okay, so basically, when you're seasoning chicken, it doesn't matter how you mix it. You just have to make sure it's enough seasoning so you can taste the flavor that you're trying to get for the food that you're cooking. And that's it.
All right.
Bye, guys. This is the end result of the lemon pepper fried chicken. Here it is. Guys, tell me what you think of the chicken and comment down below. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you very much.